everybody, today in science we have another chapter and that is light. Let us look at the contents, and they are luminous and non-luminous objects, the different sources of light, the difference between transparent, translucent and opaque objects, the properties of light. So, can you guess the subtopic? What about after looking at these pictures? And they are luminous and non-luminous objects. You are correct. So, let us learn about luminous objects. What are luminous objects? Objects like sun, a lighted tube light, the flame of a burning candle, and a firefly emit light of their own. These objects are called luminous objects. Now let us learn about non-luminous objects. What are non-luminous objects? The objects like tree, pencil, apple, and a fused bulb do not emit light of their own. These objects are called non-luminous objects. Now let's go to next part of our chapter, that is sources of light. Sources of light. The sun gives us light during daytime. However, at night we have to depend on other objects for light in order to see around clearly. What is the concluding line now? Anything that gives out or emits light on its own is called a sources of light. Therefore, all luminous objects are considered to be a source of light. This concluding line should be in mind. Now, let us go to next part of our chapter, that is transparent, translucent and opaque objects. So, book is opaque object, plastic cover, translucent, glass of clear water, transparent, pencil box, opaque, glass bottle, transparent. So what are transparent objects? The objects that allow light to pass through them completely are called transparent objects. Now what are translucent objects? Objects like the plastic cover allow some amount of light to pass through them. Such objects are called translucent objects. Now what are opaque objects? The objects that do not allow light to pass through them at all are called opaque objects, like book, compass box. Now properties of light. Here are just some pointers. I will explain it orally to you all. First, light is a form of energy. Plants use light energy to prepare its food through the process of photosynthesis. Second, light travels in a straight line. You must have observed the rays of the sun fall in a straight line during day or break in a dark room. If a ball placed in the path of light, will the light bend and go around the ball? No, it will not. Light always travels in a straight line and does not follow a curved path. Third, the speed of light is different in different materials. We see light the same instant that a bulb is switched on. However, in reality, it takes time to reach our eyes. Light travels so fast that we do not notice the time it takes to travel from the bulb to our eyes. Light moves at the fastest known speed in the universe. It travels with maximum speed in vacuum or air at 30 lakhs meters per second. Nothing that we know of today travels faster than or even close to the speed of light. Nonetheless, The speed of light decreases when it passes from air into another medium like water or glass. Light bounces back when it falls on an opaque object. When light falls on an opaque object, all of it or some part of the light bounces back. This property of bouncing back of the light is called reflection. When the reflected rays reach our eyes, we see objects. Thank you for watching. Bye.